Hey guys, so I'm done. I'm actually on my way now going out. I've actually put baby Renee to bed. She's sleeping. So I want to just rush up and start the errands. I told you guys I'll be running today. It's about 11 a.m. So I have to finish everything and come back not later than 2 so I can pick the kids from school. So yeah, without talking too much, let's start the errands. Let's just run our errands today. I'll be going with my phone, so we'll continue the rest of this vlog on my phone. Okay.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city? Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present. Mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like.
So guys, I just got out of the bank and I'm about to head out to the next location, but guys, my battery is flat. I don't know why I did not charge my phone. Like, I have lights in my house 24 hours a day, but I still don't charge my phone because I know that there's always lights. I don't charge my phone. This phone might go off. I might not be able to complete this 24 hours with me, spend the 24 hours with me. But if I don't complete it, then that means I will do it again tomorrow. Now I want to go get baby Renee's passport. Then after that I will be heading over to, my hands is shaking, I'll be heading over to Prince Trust to get the eyeliner. I'm trying to see if I can finish by 2 on the dot so I can pick the kids from school. But if I finish before 2, that means that I still have to like hang around and do something. I don't want to have to go back home and come back again. Like, that's too much stress. So yeah, let's go.
What the other book looks like. Oh, wouldn't that be nice if that was me? If I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? But there's not to say that I'm not happy with my life this way. 'Cause I know both ways, but I'll be thinking about the parallel days. If that was me, if I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue and green. Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I'd stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city? Red, blue and green. reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present, mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like. Oh, and every night.
I don't think paying for the other one.
If that was me, if I'd stayed in my city, red, blue, and green, is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be?
Excuse me.
But that's not to say that I'm not
I don't see
happy
anyone.
with my life this way. 'Cause I know both ways, but I'll be thinking about the parallel days. If that was me, if I'd stayed in my city, red, blue, and green, red, blue, and green, is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me? If I'd stayed in my city, red, blue, and green, is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present, mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like. Oh, wouldn't that be nice? If that was me,
No, it's not like I don't want it. It's okay. It's loud and it's fine.
if I'd stayed in my city, red, blue, and green, is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be?
But they are not
There's
full.
not
Please
to say that I'm not happy with my life this way. 'Cause I know both ways, but I'll be thinking about parallel days. That was me. If I'd stayed in my city, red, blue, and green.
I just got back home, guys. I am so exhausted. It was such a long day. Oh my gosh. And I was able to pick the kids up from school. Tomorrow is 29th, and they're supposed to celebrate Independence Day because on Friday there is no school. Then I got some other things. I got a lot of stuff. You guys saw that I actually achieved more than what I planned to achieve today. Today was a success, and my Ryan, don't distract me. My no, my every day is his birthday. It's always saying every day is his birthday. So my battery just ran flat immediately I got to my gate. That's to say that it was a success. It was able to take me through, and I was able to get a couple of stuff. Like today was successful. Everything I wrote on my notes, because most times if I don't want to forget, I like to jot things down on my notes. Everything I wrote down on my note on my phone, achieved all. First of all, I went to the bank, and the bank I went to wasn't even the one close to my house. I went to the bank at UST because that bank is way easier for me to it's way easier for me to go because that bank is not crowded. I'm the kind of person like I hate to stand on the queue. I hate to wait for all those stuff. Anything that will require me standing on the queue, I try to avoid it. That's why most times you guys see that when I go to the bank, I like to go with baby Renee. But because I know I was going to run lots of errands today, I didn't go out with her. So I went to the bank where I knew that there would be no queue. And that was how it was. I went to the bank in UST. Then after that, I had to stop by, since it's at my 3, I had to stop by at my 3 market and get some things for, what's that? You're naked, what happened?
Mommy,
What?
What the one of my friend have an apple on it.
Really?
Yes, it's a phone.
Apple phone?
Yes, it's a tablet.
Tablet. There's an apple on it. Did you show your teacher your own? Your own
Yes.
tablet? Okay. Alright. So, as I was saying, what was I saying? These kids, they just keep distracting me. So I had to stop by at the market and I got a couple of stuff for food because I know I was going to cook soup. So I needed fresh okra, even though I have fish and every other things at home. I got fresh okra, I got premico and fresh pepper. That's just all because fresh pepper I have at home is not enough. That's all I got from the market. Then I stopped by to get this stuff for baby Renee's hair. I want to make her hair into bun, so I just got this stuff just to decorate her hair with. I got this stuff and this one and this one, yeah, from my 3 market. Then I also got a comb, those comb, the one you use to how do I call it? I don't know what's called. It's in my bag though, but I can't get it. I'm tired. I got that comb. I got lashes. I think these lashes was 1.5. I got it from Prince Trust. You guys saw that I stopped by at Prince Trust. I got lashes. Cause the one I have is all like that. Lashes has worked more than its money, so I want to give it a break and start another one. So I got this one. Then we actually went to what's it called? The immigration place to get the passport for baby Renee. So this is baby Renee's passport. Yeah, it looks beautiful though. This is the, what's it called? What's that they call? E-passport, right? So this is how it looks, and I can see the difference already. It's actually looking more tushed. It's looking more well packaged, and the picture on it is looking black and white. Her face is looking funny. I don't know if I can show you guys, but see. See baby Renee's face. Do you guys see? I don't know why it's looking like this, but just like an emoji. Looking like an emoji. So yeah, I just got it for her because she doesn't have. So basically that is all we need, or all we did today. Today was a success. Thank you guys for joining me, for running errands with me. Thank you for coming with me. I'm exhausted now. I'll just relax, feed baby Renee. I haven't even seen her since I came back. Can't imagine, what a mother. Feed baby Renee, then go down to the kitchen, make food. Probably I'll include the food making process in another vlog, in my weekly vlog. But that is it for this vlog. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. I'll see you guys in my next one. Subscribe if you haven't and like the video, okay? Bye.
This golden glow, it seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me? If I'd stayed in my city